Every moment of every day, we are surrounded by greatness. The evidence of this can be seen by simply looking up towards the heavens above. The vastness of the sky is very deceiving, since scientists have said based on their research that the size of the universe is unimaginable. However, for centuries, people have been enthralled by the stars, especially at night time when they are most visible. Groups of stars which form a particular shape, known as constellations, have been given names, such as the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper. Scientists have often said that there are billions of stars in our galaxy alone, which is just one of the many galaxies in the universe. A star is a huge, big ball of plasma that shines brightly. We all know what the sun is, but do we actually know that it is a star? The sun, as we know, is very powerful and is the Earth's source of energy. That alone gives us an idea as to how powerful a star can be, whether it is in terms of heat or of light. Yet in spite of all this knowledge, stars can still be wonderful to look at, even from our vantage point of millions of miles of distance. Some people flock to public observatories or astronomy stations in order to view stars for a small fee. Even if they seem to be unmoving, some people just can't get enough satisfaction merely looking at them through powerful telescopes. Astronomers have studied and are continuing to study the stars in order to find out more information about them, since it is somewhat difficult to get quality information from objects of great distances, although it is possible. However, you don't necessarily need powerful telescopes in order to enjoy the stars, although it would help by making them look bigger than when viewed with the naked eye. Stargazing is a very popular activity and is sometimes required by astronomy professors. By exploring the stars, whether at home or while lying down on a grassy bank, there are shapes and images that can form while stargazing. Astronomers explore the stars in order to learn about them, for that is their job and means of livelihood. This research that astronomers conduct thoroughly and systematically regarding stars are actually very helpful as pieces of knowledge for the common man. Without them, we will have a very limited knowledge regarding stars and perhaps other heavenly bodies. But certainly, stars are also in the heavens above for the common person to enjoy. Exploring the stars via stargazing or even with a home astronomy kit at home, usually composed of a less powerful telescope than that at an observatory, can help you enjoy them and think about them, without the need for deeper knowledge that astronomers seek. In other words, enjoy stargazing and exploring the visible stars and be relaxed while doing so. It is wonderful to view them, especially from different angles and times, of which some groups of stars can come together to form a constellation. You can actually point out a group or groups and name your own constellations in order to make your star exploration at home more enjoyable. You know the regular constellations, namely, the Big Dipper, Orion, Leo, etc. Perhaps your imagination can be vivid and you would notice a certain group of stars that form a recognizable shape and name them. You can even invite friends, classmates, family members, and more to make stargazing an even more enjoyable activity. The reason why exploration of stars and other heavenly bodies enthralls humans is because of the mystery of outer space. Up until the present, scientists and astronomers have been debating about a number of issues, such as whether life exists on Mars, how the universe came into existence, whether life can survive on other planets, etc. Along with this, the typical human is intrigued by the idea of stars and how they shine brightly at night. It is also this interest and intrigue that has led people into telling fortunes based on the position of the stars, astrologers. Exploration of the stars can be done at home. For the typical person, it is more enjoyable to do it at home without thinking too much about them. Enjoy them, for they are mysterious, but wonderful objects.